I know that reading books are really boring, especially in the era of social media. People like to scroll on social media, they like to read social media pages, they don't like to read books. Even you try to read books, then you start feeling sleepy, right? And if you force yourself to read the books, then you get headache that you are not understanding anything. Actually, I used to feel the same, but look at me today. I am able to understand and I can speak in English confidently. Why? Because reading books has improved my English, okay, and that taught me sentence formation, and I know that it can do the same to you. That's why here in this video I am going to tell you that choose the books consciously that are simple and interesting, that you won't stop yourself to read the entire book. You won't feel bored while reading those books. So here in this video I am going to tell you about all these books that will help you to learn speaking English, okay. And at the end of the video I will tell you about sentence formation while reading. How can you learn sentence formation? So without any further delay, let's get into the video. Books to improve English for beginners and to reach fluency. Actually, there are five genres of book that will help you to read books and that will help you to get into the habit of reading books. So the first genre of book is comic books. Comic books are the books which is full of pictures and stories, okay. So remember your childhood days when you were reading in the school, okay. You used to look forward the page which has pictures. You want to read that chapter because pictures make the boring text interesting, right? So you can start reading comic books, and there are many comic books you can read, like Champak Chachachaudhary and Tinkle magazine. These books are really interesting. If you start reading these books, you won't stop yourself to complete the entire magazine or comic books, okay. And if you feel that reading the comic books is a childish thing, then you have to become a child. Only then you can learn speaking English. Forget your shame and start reading comic books. And I can show you some books like this is the comic books. It is full of pictures, you can see, okay. And you can buy Champak Chachachaudhary and Tinkle magazine and start reading comic books. Next genre is mysterious novels. Why mysterious novels? Because then you will be excited to know what happened next. There will be suspense in the mysterious novels. So you should definitely read mysterious novels. So the first novel is The Secret of the Old Mill, and the second novel is Goosebumps. You should definitely read these two mysterious novels, okay, because then you will get into the habit of reading books. And next genre is love stories. If you like to watch a love stories episode, then you should read Twilight, okay. And next genre is biography. I know biography is like, oh god, but you should read biographies. Yeah, you can feel a loser while reading biographies, because there you will read about achievements of the people. But I will say to you that read the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam and Elon Musk. Why APJ Abdul Kalam biography? Because his life was full of struggles. Even his achievements are really up to the mark. So you should definitely read the biography of APJ Abdul Kalam. And next genre is random fiction books. For this, you have to read Harry Potter and the White Tiger. Okay. And last is about sentence formation. I know that you can learn sentence formation by grammar. I do agree with that. But while reading, you can learn sentence formation soon, because I used to read the books and I used to underline those sentences which I like most. Okay, and that helped me a lot. You can do the same. You can underline the sentences, and next you can read loud. Okay, you have to read loud the sentences. You have to read that sentences 2 or 3 times so you can understand that better. And next you have to use that sentences in your real life conversation. You have to try to do that. Okay, then you can learn those things. Okay, while you are using, then you will feel confident that yes, I am using those sentences, means I am learning something. Okay, so thanks for watching my video, friends. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and let me know in the comment which genre is your favorite, which book will you prefer to read. Okay, comic books, dramatic, romantic or biography. Let me know in the comment. Bye.